So we're going to start looking at some different kinds of shapes. These are not prisms. What we've been dealing with are rectangular prisms, the triangular prisms, and the cylinder. They're all kind of classified as prisms. These next couple of shapes are, well, they're just not prisms. They're not. They don't have a top and bottom that match. So like our cylinder here, we have, where's that? There we go. I have a top and a bottom that are the same size. Pyramids don't have that. There's a square base on the pyramid, and then there's a pointy top. So kind of all these shapes are going to come to a point. So you're looking at pyramids and cones specifically. There are other ones out there, but those are just the ones that we're going to do. All right, so a pyramid, kind of the same idea. We're going to take this three-dimensional shape and we're going to cut it on its seams and kind of lay it out flat, and we're going to find the area of the flat pieces of it. So when you do that, a pyramid's pretty simple shape. It is a square base, and then from each of those bases you have a triangle that comes up to this peak at the top. So what you're looking at is you have the area of a square, and then you've got a triangle that is repeated 4 times. So as far as the math that you have to do, you've got a square and a triangle, but the triangle area, we're just going to multiply it by 4 to kind of make our lives a little bit easier. Okay, so this specific example here, you've got a pyramid that has a square base of 8. Okay, you'll notice that you've got the measurement of 8 here along the side of the square. It's 8 all the way around. These are all square base pyramids. I'm not going to do anything funky where you have like a rectangle or a pyramid, or not pyramid, a pentagon at the bottom or anything like that. These are just squares. So you're looking at a square that has a length and width of 8. That should be relatively easy to find the area of. And then if you notice this dotted line here, that is called the slant height. Normally when you measure the height of a figure, you go straight up and down vertically from the point. But because of what we're trying to do, I need the slant height. So it's actually going to be the height of the triangle, but since it's tilted in, it's a slant height. So, and that height is 16. So that's gross. I'm gonna redo my measurements here. Okay, I've got a square that is 8 by 8, and then the height of the triangle here is 16. All right, so back a while ago when we did area of triangles, area of a triangle is 1/2 base of the triangle times the height of the triangle. So when it's laid out flat, the base is 8 and the height is 16. I've got 4 of those. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to find the area of my base. That's 8 times 8. And then I've got 4 triangles, and each triangle is 1/2 of 8 times 16. Okay, so I've got 64 for the square, and 4 times 1/2 base times height for the triangles, 320 square feet. Don't forget your units. Okay, 1 square, 4 triangles. And I'm giving you everything you need on these. You need specific measurements. You're getting the base. You're getting the base of the triangle and the height of the triangle. Okay, so same thing here. The square base is a 4 by 4 square. And then I've got 4 triangles. Each triangle is 1/2 base of the triangle times the slant height. So that is 96. Okay, I'm not doing anything funky on these. I'm just punching them straight into my calculator. That's all you've got to do too. Oops, square yards. Square yards. All right, last one. This one's kind of turned a little bit. We're like looking at it from the bottom. Where are we? I don't know. It kind of depends on how you look at it. Anyway, base is a square 9 by 9. And I've got 4 triangles. Each triangle is 1/2, 9 times 14. So, whoops, big fingers, 81 plus 405 square feet. Okay, that's it, guys. Ask questions if you got them.